Hi everyone, I would like to show you how easy it is to schedule an appointment for someone wanting an appointment for free tax preparation at any one of our 5 tax center locations. What you need to do is go to our website, which is communitytaxcenters.org. Scroll down to the appointment section of this page and you'll see a link to our online appointment system. There are a couple of things that you can do here. If you know the location where your client would like to schedule their appointment, you can select that particular location from the drop-down menu. If, on the other hand, your client would just like the first available appointment, you can go ahead and select no preference, and that will bring up the first available appointments that we have. Any days that are in gray, there are no appointments available. So you want to look for the appointment days that are in white. That means there's some availability on those days. So here, the first available appointment is February 2nd. And it will bring up all the appointment times available on February 2nd, including the location where that appointment is available. If you would like to see more options, click on Next and it will just keep bringing up more available appointment slots. Let's say your client would like to take the first appointment that's available on Monday, February 2nd at the Southeast Health and Wellness Center. Click on Book It. If your client has not used our system before, click New User. And then the required fields are the ones with the red asterisks next to them. So fill it in with your client's information. We do require an email address. All of our reminders are via email. We do not do any phone call reminders. If your client does not have an email address, that's okay. You have a couple of options. You can either enter your own email address and you will receive the email confirmation and the reminders, which you can either pass along to your client or you could just ignore and delete. If you don't want that in your inbox, you can go ahead and fill this in with our email address, taxes@foundcom.org. But if the client does have an email, please fill it in with their email address so that they will get the reminders. We ask that you select what your client needs done. So say this person needed their 2014 return completed, select that. Any special instructions, so say for example your client had a question like missing my W-2s. Anything you can put in this. We do scan the special instructions and the notes and try to respond to pretty quickly to anybody who's left us a question or who has brought up something that we need to address before they come into their appointment. In this section, if a client would like the appointment confirmation and reminders to go to another email address besides their own, you can enter that right there. Then you click Finalize Appointment, and you've got their confirmation page. You can open up the print confirmation if you'd like to print this out for your client and hand it to them. This confirmation page has our phone number in case they need to call, cancel, reschedule, or if they have questions, and it confirms their location. If you need the address to a location, just click on the Locations tab here and it will bring up the addresses for all of our tax center locations. A couple of other things that I do want to note that are referenced on the home page of the appointment system. We only prepare prior year returns after March 1st. So say somebody has a return, a 2012 return that they need completed, we ask them to schedule that appointment after March 1st. After March 1st is when our volunteers are trained to prepare prior year returns. There's also a note here that you must reserve one appointment slot per tax year you need to file. So many times clients will not just have 1 year that they need to file, but they'll have 2 or 3 years worth of returns they need to file. So we want them to find a block of 3 appointment slots, for example, and schedule themselves 3 times. That will ensure that we have volunteers set aside to assist them. So that's all. It's pretty easy. Anytime you have any questions about scheduling appointments or you run into any difficulty, or if your client just prefer to schedule an appointment over the phone, please have them call 512-610-7371, and Anna or Maria will give them a call or talk to them and schedule an appointment for them. So that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for helping folks schedule appointments.